Hi, so for this video I'm going to be changing the MK3 Mondeo passenger side wing mirror. To do this you need to remove the door card. I'll post a link to this somewhere up the top here in the cards. And as always, if you're a new viewer, consider hitting that subscribe button down here and giving a thumbs up, and if you're a returning viewer, please consider a thumbs up. It does help. So let's crack on with this, shall we? Okay, so when you do this you need to remove this panel here, but you've got to remove the door card first to get to the wiring that's sitting just behind here. So as I said, there's a card along the top of the screen somewhere here showing you how to remove this, so go and check that video out. So you're going to undo this screw here. Let's get the door card out of the way. Okay, here's the grey connector. Okay, so when you've got your door card off, you need to disconnect this grey connection here. There's 1, 2 and 3 T20 screws. I'd suggest going 1, 2 and then do this top one last, because before you undo this top one you need to support the mirror from underneath and then undo it, otherwise you could potentially drop the mirror and damage the side of your car, which you don't want to do. So we're going to crack on with that now. Okay, so we're now going to disconnect this, so you snap out, push on this little pin here. It's a bit tight, but you push in and wiggle and that's that disconnected. Okay, so as I say, 1, 2, 3 T20s. I've got my little and as I said, when you undo this top one, support the mirror from underneath and outside, get your T20 and undo. Then slide up and out. And then what you do is, with your new one, I've got this off a breaker, it's basically the reversal. Back in. You do the screws up starting at the top and work your way back down. Connect up your grey loom at the bottom. So the last part of this is to remove this cover and place it onto your new one. Okay, so to remove this piece to put on your new mirror using a flathead tool, you can see the split just here, and it comes around the back and it comes all the way up across the top here. Right, so with this, you just need to get behind it and pop away. Don't force it, there you go. Come up to your new one. You've got 3 clips on the back, 1, 2, 3. And you literally just place it over the top. Okay, that's that bit done. So there you have it, guys. That's how you change the wing mirror on the MK3 Mondeo. I've done the cover here. I'm going to do the paddle light next. I did cover that in a previous video, which I'll post a link in the description below. There's also a link down there for my Patreon page for those who wish to buy us a cup of coffee. But for now, that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.